Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail can't send emails with attachment. If Gmail won't send emails with attachments, the problem is often caused by the attachment size limits, browser issues, unstable internet, or account syncing problems. So, to fix that, what you need to do is to check your internet connection first. So, go to settings and open network and internet, then go to Wi Fi and make sure you're connected to a stable connection. You can switch to a more reliable Wi Fi network. You can restart your router if needed, then try sending the email again and see if that works. Next is to refresh Gmail. So refresh the Gmail tab by clicking this reload icon at the top left corner, then wait for it to load and see if that works. Next is to check the attachment size. So Gmail allows attachments up to 25 MB. If your files exceed this limit, Gmail automatically uploads them to Google Drive instead. What you need to do is to compress large files into a zip folder or upload large files to Google Drive and share the link. Next is to clear your browser cache and cookies. So open your browser settings in the top right corner, click the three dots, then scroll down to the bottom and go to settings. Next, select privacy and security. Then in here, select delete browsing data. Choose a time frame at the top. Then select cache images and files and cookies. Then click delete data to confirm the action. Once done, go back to Gmail and see if that solves the problem. Next, check Google Workspace storage. If your Google account storage is full, Gmail may not function properly. So, free up storage or purchase additional storage if needed. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.